interesting. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Gary Brock, the president of Phase Change Software.
Thank you, Courtney. Hi, everyone. My name is Gary Brock, and I'm the CEO of Phase Change. Phase Change is creating artificial intelligence that improves software development productivity. I'm having a problem with my screen here. There we go. Sorry. Managing large storage applications is complex and costly. 2/3 of all development costs are spent on maintenance, equating to trillions of dollars a year spent on just maintenance and really stifling innovation within companies. Cost of delays impacts competitiveness. When an expert leaves, it takes a new employee 2.5 years to attain the same level of competence. And current tools that are in the market really only provide clues as to how this works and clues as to how the software works, and requires humans to interpret a lot of the information. The net result is that when you look at these large storage applications, software applications, 80% of developers' time spent is trying to understand how the application works, and only 20% of the time is spent actually coding. Phase Change is creating a breakthrough technology for software development. We have created an assistive agent that learns and understands the behavior of software. A simple example is when a developer gets a bug report. Typically today, they have to spend a lot of time searching through code to find out where that is. Our technology is an AI that understands the system completely and precisely and works with the developer to locate precisely where the logic is that manifests that bug. And so developers can save a significant amount of time in the drudgery of what they're doing today and trying to figure out how the application works and where things are manifesting themselves. The productivity increase is significant. We're talking about a 4-fold increase in productivity. The system is available 24/7, 365, and never leaves. So for CIOs, this is an insurance policy that, again, the knowledge always stays in-house. And because the cognitive tasks are actually done for folks, the new engineers are nearly as productive as veterans. So the replacement problem that I talked about before becomes a non-issue. A new engineer will know just as much about a system using our technology. This is a major breakthrough in that way of digitizing the behavior of software. In essence, we're turning software into data and then applying causal and associative reasoning techniques to understand software like humans. When we've had 4 patents issued. Our initial market is the COBOL mainframe market. It is mission critical. These are large systems, and there's a huge knowledge gap. Last year, we finalized a proof of concept with the Depository Trust Clearing Corporation. We're currently in beta with 3 large financial organizations, and we'll be shipping our first product in April. The opportunity is enormous. The COBOL market alone is in what we're doing today is a $4.6 billion opportunity. We will be adding cognitive capabilities, or if you think cognitive tasks, help people test systems, migrate systems, do some predictive coding for them as well. And in addition, our technology is extensible to additional programming languages. So after we finish COBOL, we'll be working on Java, C, C++, Python, and so forth and so on. So the opportunity is immense. We have a very strong management team. Steve Glovalis is our founder, visionary head of R&D and product development. Again, my name is Gary Brock. I'm the CEO. I've been an entrepreneur. I've successfully started and sold 4 software companies. Steve Brothers has C-suite level experience operating companies. Our board and advisory board has a number of seasoned individuals, including Paul Walker, who ran technology, or was the co-head of technology at Goldman Sachs, and Roger Bamford, who ran architecture and was a principal architect, at Oracle. This is a significant effort. We are not just using AI, we're actually creating an AI. We're creating a symbolic system. So that the amount of money we've raised to date has been $34 million. It's been a significant R&D project. We are very close to introducing us to our first customers. We're seeking $7 million in total to get to cash flow break even. The first tranche is a price round right now of $3 million to provide an initial sales runway. We're actually halfway there right now. We just opened it up a few weeks ago, so things are going well. The second tranche will be made available a little later in the year, and we'll be seeking $4 million to get to cash flow break even. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to answering any questions you have in the breakout room.